Hey guys, analyzing a business idea can be very time consuming and complicated, especially when we as entrepreneurs can have a lot of business ideas in mind. But with MindPal, AI assembly feature, you can automate the entire process with several steps like this with ease. So essentially, with this AI assembly that I have just built on MindPal, I can trigger it with an input. In this case, is the business idea, and then it will carry out a series of steps one by one, just like in this diagram, starting with problem opportunity, solution, market opportunity, and many more. The cool thing about this is that with this kind of AI workflow, the input from one part can be transferred to the next steps so that it can perform a comprehensive and relevant response for me. And also, each of these steps is performed by an AI agent on MyPal, which means you can have total control over its behavior and job to be done. For example, in this market opportunity step, I have assigned the market opportunity agent to this case, and this agent has been customized with the perfect instruction as well as the necessary knowledge sources settings. In this case is Google and Wikipedia to search for relevant information, insights, and facts to cite in this section. So now this is an entire process of analyzing a business idea that I have built. Now let's try run this business idea analysis workflow on MyPal and to see how it helped me to analyze a business idea more effectively. For example, the business idea in this case, I will take MyPal, a platform to build AI agents and assemblies to automate any tasks and processes. So let's create this run. And basically, when you run an assembly like this, it will take the input from the trigger input and perform each of the steps as configured in the assembly settings. So it starts with this step 1, problem and opportunity by this agent and with the input from the business idea. And then here's response. It has also cited some relevant sources in its response. The next step is solution. And afterwards, it would be other steps like market opportunity, marketing, sales, etc. So basically, this is a very cool feature on MyPal in which you can automate such a complicated and intricate process like analyzing a business idea. So if you want to try this out, it's completely free. Just go to brain.mypal.space, go to this agents tab, assemblies, and you can totally duplicate this business idea analysis workflow for free and then try running it with your own business idea. So, and more excitingly, you can even create your own AI assembly on MyPal. So please go to MyPal and try the magic of an AI assembly and let me know what you think.